Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to study about chemical properties of sulfuric acid. These topics are under ICSE Standard 10 syllabus from the chapter number 7, Study of Compound Sulfuric Acid. So in this we have taken active metal, base, metallic hydroxide, carbonate, sulfide and we will see the sulfuric acid's action on all these compounds. We know that sulfuric acid is dibasic acid. By decomposing this one molecule of sulfuric acid, we will get two replaceable hydrogen ion. So this is dibasic acid. Now when active metals will react with sulfuric acid, we will get zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. Sulfuric acid is a non-volatilic acid and which is a strong oxidizing agent. Here base, when it is reacting with sulfuric acid, that is magnesium oxide. Metal oxide also we can write. All the metals are forming basic compounds when they are forming oxides. All metal oxides are basic in nature. So magnesium oxides will react with sulfuric acid and will give us magnesium sulfate and hydrogen. When metallic hydroxide, zinc hydroxide will react with sulfuric acid, it will give us zinc sulfate and water molecule. When carbonate will react with sulfuric acid, it will give us metal sulfate, water and carbon dioxide. When sulfite will react with sulfuric acid, metal sulfite, that is sodium sulfite, will react with sulfuric acid, it will give us metal sulfate, water and carbon dioxide. When sulfide will react with sulfuric acid, it will give us metal sulfate and hydrogen sulfide gas. Along with this, sulfuric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. It is the only acid which is non-volatilic in nature. Two other reasons related to chemical properties of sulfuric acids are: first is concentrated sulfuric acid is a least or non-volatilic acid. So what is its action? That it is non-volatile at high boiling point. When reaction mixture's temperature is high, at that temperature also it is non-volatile in nature. Hence, heating with salt or more volatilic acid, sulfuric acid displaces volatilic acid and forms their salt. So that's why it is used in the preparation of hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. So from this, multiple reasons can be asked that why H2SO4 is used in the preparation of hydrochloric acid and nitric acid, and why the concentrated sulfuric acid is used in the preparation of salt and acid which are more volatile compared to sulfuric acid. When we are comparing sulfuric acid's nature with hydrochloric acid and nitric acid which are volatile in nature, the sulfuric acid is almost non-volatile in nature. So that's why it is used in the formation of these two acids. Second reason is concentrated sulfuric acid is used as a dehydrating agent and drying agent. Concentrated sulfuric acid removes water from the molecule. It also removes the water of crystallization from hydrated salt. Now what are the hydrated salts we know? Copper sulfate 5H2O. This is hydrated salt. So this is known as water of crystallization. So this water of crystallization we can remove by the action of sulfuric acid. Why sulfuric acid will remove water and water of crystallization? Because it has a strong affinity towards water. Hence it is used as drying agent as well as dehydrating agent in the reaction mixture. So this is all about the chemical properties of sulfuric acid. We have seen a contact process, manufacturing process of sulfuric acid, its respective reasons, chemical properties and its behavior properties of sulfuric acid. If you have any doubt, then you can write me at my email address or you can comment in a comment box. Don't forget to subscribe Learn Yourself for many more important videos. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.